All right, another thing we're doing on this yellowtail truck, too, is my famous Reuben. We have this on the menu. The only difference at Pork and Mindy's, we make our pastrami in-house. And this is, instead of using corned beef, we're using smoked pastrami. So you got the beautiful pastrami, but starting...
Super spicy, nice and lean.
Love it, right?
Want me to butter these on the outside?
Yes, please, butter them on the outside for me. And this is, the only thing that what makes this sandwich different than other ones, obviously, besides using good meat and using my Sandwich King skills, is the sauce. So most Reubens have Thousand Island dressing.
Right.
We're not doing Thousand Island dressing.
What are you doing?
We're doing 18,000 Island dressing. Yes. Why do you ask, Rachel? Why 18,000 Island dressing?
Why 18,000?
Because it's 17,000 times more better. So instead of using relish, I got some nice slices of pickled jalapeno. Oh, love it, right? And this is gonna add a nice layer of spice to it. So we're gonna add that into a couple cups of mayonnaise here. Right? You can make your own mayonnaise if you want, but guess what, man? They do it. They're
not gonna make their own
They
mayonnaise.
ain't gonna make their own
mayonnaise. They're not gonna go there with you.
All right.
Not gonna go there.
So a little Dijon for some tang.
Okay.
Right?
Ketchup?
A little bit, yeah. Now this is where you can you can either do all Sriracha or a nice sambal or a nice Asian, chili sauce, or you can do half ketchup, half this, or just bump it up as hot as you want.
I get you. Depends on how spicy you like.
Yep, and a little kind of aromatic quality. It's a little bit of that granulated garlic, which I love with mayonnaise, right? It gives it that
I got a spoon
something.
for you, so we can just spoon it on.
Beautiful. So now we're gonna build this. So give me, a little slather on that, and we're gonna use some nice sliced Swiss.
Hang on. Man. Crust to crust, Jeff.
Sorry. See, that was a test.
Crust.
She passed. Give her a round of applause. She passed. I could, once in a while I teach people stuff. So we're gonna put a good amount of this Swiss on there, right? I want kind of some of that overhang. I want it gooey, right? That's the best part about it. Next is we're gonna take, and we're not just gonna lay that pastrami out flat like that. No. That to me is a sin. We're gonna kind of ribbon it high.
You gotta crinkle it.
We're gonna crinkle it. We're gonna create
height and texture,
right? Structure. Just it's more eye appealing to see a sandwich kind of
puffed up, right?
Blown it up right there, and then of course that sauerkraut on there. We're gonna right, and you already buttered it, so you don't want to waste any of that butter on the pan here. If you put it on directly, it's just gonna burn. You just want it to sizzle, nice and medium.
Beautiful.
And what we did here,
pop a lid over,
boom, is dome it too, right? So you create another vortex of heat. And make sure that middle is ooey gooey.
Give me the big knife.
Give him the big knife. Boom.
Oh,
and when do you see the inside of that? Seriously, you're going to need a python on your jaws here, I think.
Look at that, huh? My God. Dude, wait, put them next to each other.
I know.
Now tell me, at any party you're at, if you cut up a bunch of those, you would not be the rock star, right?
Whether it's your tailgate, home gate.